Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to set up Epson's Smart Panel from scratch. So let's get started. First, make sure your Epson printer is turned on and has completed its initial setup and ink installation. Now install the Epson Smart Panel app on your iPhone or Android device and connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network you want to use. Open the Epson Smart Panel app. If your printer is automatically detected, simply follow the on-screen instructions. If it isn't detected, tap the plus icon, then select Connect to a new product. Choose your Epson printer from the list and tap Next. Now select your Wi-Fi network, enter your Wi-Fi password, and tap OK. The app will start configuring your printer. Keep your phone close to the printer and wait until the app shows that setup is complete. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.